What's up, everyone? Today we're going to do Google AI Studio versus Claude. We're going to make a Pocket Tanks clone, but I'm going to add in a little roguelite like aspect to it just to see what it could come up with and what it could do. And I see a lot of people doing with the hour or whatever to do it. I'm just going to do 3 to 5 prompts. We'll see how well it goes, and let's do it. I already got the prompt ready, so throw it in and let's see how it goes. And here we have it. It's done. Let's check it out. I could do preview, but I don't. I want to download it just so I could find out the errors, and I can just copy and paste the errors. All right, so let's check this out. Try it. Got one tank. Does a lot. Guess till you beat it. Use your weapons. All right. All right. So it's nope. So I guess it doesn't work. So it's just a blank screen. Actually, I could just record it because Google, it watches the videos, and after I try to play the game, this is what happens, and I need you to fix it. I want to see the level, the characters, and be able to play the level. Okay, bring that. Video. Okay, it just finished. Let's check it out. Let's download it again. Okay, let's try campaign. Again, nothing works. Let's see. Copy the errors. Bring it in here. This is going to be the third. Maybe I have to go up to 5, but we'll see. We'll see what happens on this one. If it comes out good, we'll see what happens with Claude, but we'll see. And it's done. And download it, and let's test it out. All right. Let's do campaign real quick. Those are locked, so okay. Pick a couple. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna pick whatever. You gotta pick 10, and they pick 10. There's 20 weapons, but I think there's like 30 in the game. So, nope, same thing. Let's see. Actually, we'll just do this. I will make a video and show what's wrong. After I start the game, this comes up, and there's no map, no nothing. This is the error. I need you to fix it. I want to try to play the game, test it, and see if everything works. So try to fix that. All right, I'm gonna save that. Go back. This is gonna be the 4th one. We'll see what happens. There is no. Well, it is just black and can't test the game. All right. We're gonna let that load for a minute. All right. And all right. So this is the 4th one. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it works. I was messing with it earlier and it seemed to work. I don't know. Okay, so it's done again. All right, let's see. We're gonna download it. Hopefully it works at least. All right, let's try campaign. confirm. We're just gonna pick up a couple just to see, just to get it going and see. Cause I just want to do one level and see like what it gives me. I said 3 choices, so okay, okay. This looks not too bad actually. I use this because it's difficult for me, so I just did it just so I can get past the level and see what it does. But all right, we're gonna change this to a nuke. There we go. Okay, not too bad. It has sound effects. It looks fairly okay too. It doesn't look too bad. We're gonna drop some napalm on them. Whoa, yeah. All right, that's me. That's a me issue. My bad. Let's see what. Maybe I'll just send another nuke at him. Maybe because that's he might be able to die, and then we'll just see what it does against me. Why is that moving? That's weird. It's moving in place, but I guess it stopped where it's supposed to be. I don't know. But all right, let's try another nuke. Oh, maybe because of the wind. The wind pushed it, maybe. Okay, there we go. Victory. Upgrade in advance. Gather repair. Extra fuel. With 3 weapons. 3 weapons, I guess. Okay, still seems to be. Oh, I don't see the enemy. Ah, man. Okay, well, I mean, it made it through the first round, so I guess that's a thing. All right. So that was okay. So now we're gonna try Claude. We're gonna paste that in. I don't have the paid version, so we're just gonna try the free versions of everything today. So all right. Let's see what happens. And here is the first Claude version. It just popped up, and I'll copy this. I'll actually download it. Now open in the browser just to see if maybe it'll get different in the browser. All right. This is the first version. Nope, same thing. Opened here. Nothing. Yeah. Let's check. We have these errors. And copy them. There. Add this one. Should start at a menu. Not in the middle of a level. And there is no level. It is a black screen where the text and level should be. All right, let's pop this in and see what happens. I do like the code. It's so much simpler, and instead of having to redo it, I like how it does. And here goes the second version of, we'll download this, of Claude for the second prompt. All right, we're gonna try campaign, easy, tank. We're just gonna grab whatever, just to pick all the things so we can see what happens. Volcano, teleporter, whatever. Okay. All right. So it's something. Does this work? Yeah, kinda. Let's see. It's yellow, so I can't really see it. But let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. So it gave us something. Make The tank higher quality. I can't see the projection trajectory. What else did it need? Make sure it aims and approaches correctly. Okay. This is going to be number 3. I think we did 4 on the Google, so we'll see. And then we'll test out the final versions of each side by side and we'll try it and we'll see. Studios. And now. Okay, so let's see. Nope, that's just a straight line. Yeah. Even when I lower it, it doesn't. Oh, I guess it does kinda. Can I just get past this level? Let's see. We will use chain reaction. Okay, yeah, no. That doesn't work. Okay, yeah, so. Alright, so I guess that's it. It does not aim correctly, and when the tank fires, it shoots in slow motion. Fix the arch of the. Okay, so here goes the third one. Let's download and test it out. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna do campaign so we could check it out. Pick the tank, victory line. I think that's what it is. And all right, let's see what happens. This is gonna be the last and final version of Claude, so hopefully it at least gets past it. Because I guess the fourth one on Google, that one worked pretty good, or Gemini, whatever, that worked. So we'll see. Maybe Gemini will get lucky. Okay, so the final version of Claude just finished. Let's check it out. Oh, I meant to download. Well, looks like that at least. All right, let's see. We'll go campaign. All right, here we go. The moment of truth, see if it fixed. I was still straight on, huh? Yeah, that's. Well, last time we were able to do this, so let's see. Maybe we can. Yeah, no, that's not even. Does it shoot slow motion? Yep, still slow motion. All right, so I guess this is the final Claude version. We're going to do a side-by-side comparison from Google and Claude. Let's see. So this is the final version of Google. Let's check it out. Confirm. Nice and smooth, easy to pick the weapons. Wish it was faster, but okay. Got that. And there we go. I mean, it looks nice. Kind of looked what I wanted. Wish it was a bit of quality, but, it's not too bad. Fire. Look at that. Boom. And it hits the 3. Perfect. This is great quality. Sound. This is decent quality, actually. Not too bad. So, yep. So that's it. And let's see. Do we have nukes? No nuke. We'll do a bunker buster. We'll just get past this level so we could see if maybe if I use a different one, it'll. Ah. Pretty disappointed. I was getting better results earlier, but well, this is what it is. Well, anyways, I can't get past it, but this is Gemini after 4 tries, and I really do like it. It's not bad. And this is, I'll redo it. This is Claude. All right, let's see. It's just a straight line. There's no arch. There's no nothing. And when you lower it, yeah, it's just very disappointing generation. But hey, that's what we got today. So this is Pocket Tanks with roguelite aspects to it, I guess, just to see, if it can do a little bit extra. But if you guys have any ideas on what I could do next, what type of videos, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you next time.